Hey everybody, it's your Janelle and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing something special. It is a all black on skincare routine. We have some Rose in skincare, we have some KNC Beauty, we have a couple of other different brands in the mix here. So if this is something that you are interested in, please keep on watching and let's get straight to the video. Alright, so this is me, no makeup. This is what my skin looks like. Currently I'm trying to get rid of this big thing right here. I also have some hyperpigmentation around here. Next week I'm actually getting a chemical peel, so I will definitely record that journey and let you know which peel I went with and see if these little marks can go away as well. So first things first is going to wash your hands. That's very important, especially now with coronavirus, things of that nature. You always want to keep your hands clean, but it's super important to wash your hands before you wash your face, because you don't want the germs transferring from your hands onto your face. So that is always going to be the first step, is to wash your hands as well. You might as well in here clean your nails as well, because like I said, you don't want any of the germs from your hands to transfer to your face. Your hands are very, very dirty, especially if you've been outside, things of that nature. So now that my hands are clean, I am going to go in with the Super Smoothie Cleanser from Rose in Skincare. This is the packaging. This is what it looks like. Again, I'll link all of the products in the description bar. But this is Rose in Skincare, and I actually found out about their products via Instagram, and it is owned by a black woman, like I said before. So this is what the packaging looks like. It has this holographic text on it, and I think they have the holographic on their website as well, which is very cute. So it is the Super Smoothie Cleanser. This is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna go in with that and wash my face. I like to run the water. I don't know if that's very like health conscious or not, but that's what I do. And then I'm just going to go in with this much. I think that's enough. I also like to wet my face first. So I'm gonna just go in. And it kind of smells like pineapple and coconut. Pineapple. It smells very fruity, like tropical. I guess that's what it's called, right? Super Smoothie Cleanser. It definitely does smell like a smoothie. As you see, it doesn't have like a foam, but it is lathering up. And then it is very lightly, it's a very, very small grit in here, which is good for exfoliation. And then you also want to make sure that you wash your face for at least 60 seconds. So I don't know how long it's been so far, but you definitely want to get in here. It feels good on the skin. It's not, like I said, it's not too abrasive. The little beads in here are very gentle. It's not like super abrasive or anything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash this off. Okay, so I have rinsed that off, and then instead of using a towel, you can go in with these little facial wipes. I'll link these down below. You can get them from Amazon. They're not that expensive, but this also it helps with the transfer of bacteria, because you don't want to use the same towel that you dry off with in the shower it's just a lot of germs. Most people hang their towels in the bathroom, which has hella germs. So you just want to go in with a towel that is disposable to help with the transfer of germs. So now that I'm dry, I'm going to go in with the Tropics toner. Again, this is from Rose and Skincare as well. And it says it is a hydrating toner to help fade scars and dark marks, which I have. So, description, it says, take a trip to the tropics with this fruity hydrating toner formulated to help hydrate and fade. This toner is geared towards folks with slight breakouts, me, texture, me, and scars to fade. It has hyaluronic acid, kojic acid, and they are paired together to achieve both of these goals with a splash of pineapple as well. So it says, just to apply the toner with a cotton ball or a reusable cotton round, swipe into the skin after washing. Best result used when you use it twice a day with the complementary products. So I believe these two go together, if I'm not mistaken. So this is what both of these packages look like. So this is what the cleanser looks like. And then this is what the bottle looks like as well. Very cute, very millennial. And then it smells really, really good. I wish it had like a little spout that you can just pour on here, but this is like my cotton square, and I'm just gonna go in here like that. And then swipe it across. So that is what it looks like with the toner, like that. And then next I am going to go in with the serum, and this is Hyper Skin, and this is the Hyper Clear Brightening Clearing Vitamin C Serum. So this is what it looks like. Again, another cute packaging. This is what it looks like here. It says hyper treats hyperpigmentation clearly. Yeah, it has vitamin C 15% and vitamin E to smooth and brighten the skin. Again, kojic acid, fruit enzymes to dramatically clear scars. Yeah, and it also protects against future breakouts, which is something that I need. And it says how to use: gently massage onto clean skin before applying your favorite moisturizer, ideally for all skin types. So this is what this looks like. Very cute. I love this orange color. And then this is what the actual bottle looks like. Very, very cute. So I'm gonna go in maybe about 2 pumps is what this looks like. Again, it's not like super thick. You can see it running down my hand. So I'm just gonna go in and, like I said, gently massage it into my skin. And it kind of has like a slight moisturizing feel to it as well. It feels really good on the skin when you apply it. I'll take the excess and just press it into my skin. Ooh. Like that, like that, like that. For moisturizer, I'm going to go in with the Base Butter Radiate Face Jelly. So this is what this looks like. Again, I love these pastel colors when it comes to skincare. I have been noticing that a lot. And then it says Radiate Face Jelly Balancing Daily Moisturizer. So it is a lightweight moisturizer that will revitalize your daily routine. And then benefits: balancing, refreshing, purifying, hydrating, soothing, and moisturizing. And I do believe this has aloe in it, if I'm not, yep, that is the first ingredient. So aloe, leaf juice, shea butter, primrose oil, almond oil, and some other ingredients as well. I'll list all that stuff in the description box as well as the link, so you can kind of do your own research. But this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that, but this is what it looks like, and it comes in like a glass frosted jar, and then this little tin top here. So I'm just gonna put a little bit here, and it does have like a little texture. I'm not sure if you can see that, not sure, but it has a little texture to it. I assume it's the aloe. Just gonna put a little bit more. Then again, I'm gonna rub it in. Kind of like give you a facelift. That's what they say anyway. I don't know how true that is. The next thing I should have bought is some eye cream. So if you guys have any recommendations for eye cream from a black-owned brand, please link that below. I would definitely want to check it out. I forgot to incorporate that, but normally I just use the eye cream from Urban RX. They are not black-owned, but I know they do cater to black skin. So that is the eye cream that I normally use, but I'm not going to put that in this video because we're talking about black-owned brands today, okay? So the next step is going to be my sunscreen, and for that I use the Black Girl sunscreen. I recently seen that they came out with a matte formula, which is a great idea because the consistency of this particular sunscreen is a little bit oily, and I'm an oily person, so adding extra oil I do not need. So I'm definitely going to check out the matte version of that. But a benefit of this sunscreen is that it doesn't have like a white cast. I assume because of the moisturizing ingredients that they put in there is why it doesn't do that. But again, I'm no expert on sunscreen. I just know that we're supposed to use it, even though it's a myth that black people don't need sunscreen. I hear nowadays people are trying to promote that skin to skin. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter if you're in the light spectrum or the dark spectrum, we all need sunscreen. So this is the Black Girl sunscreen. It is SPF 30, and it is a sunscreen for your face and body. I did not know that, but I guess that's why reading is important. So like I said, it is broad spectrum SPF 30 infused with jojoba and avocado. So water resistant for 80 minutes, ultra sheer, no white residue, also fragrance free. So this is what this look like. This is the I've had this same bottle for a while. Like literally a little goes a long way. Like this is how much I use, and this will probably still be too much. But yeah, a little goes a long way. And like I said, I definitely want to get the matte version of this.
So I'm gonna put this all over my face.
And I use this in the winter time. I probably will not use it in the summertime just because that's when my face gets super oily. Right now my face is dry because I'm doing like a series of chemical peels. So I'm able to use this without my face breaking out. But if you are a drier person, I would definitely recommend this. And like I said, they do have a matte version. So if you are oily, I haven't tried the matte version, but I'm sure it's comparable to this, but in the matte formula, which I will probably pick up soon. And then last but not least is the KNC Beauty Super Balm. This is in the mint flavor. Yep, this is the mint flavor. And it has the moringa and kahuki oil infused lip balm. So again, another, it's so cute. I love the packaging. I love Kristen, by the way. She is the owner of this brand. She has put on the KNC School of Beauty for beauty entrepreneurs, and really had some amazing panelists on there. And I've learned a lot. As you know, I own a cosmetics company called Simply Cosmetics, and she's definitely played an integral part in me, you know, just finding out about different resources and things of that nature. But this is what it looks like, and I was expecting cream, but it's actually like a cute pink color, and this is how it comes out. So I'm just gonna put a little bit like this. This is probably actually too much, but I am going to put this on my lips like that. And I can smell the mint, but the mint is kind of subtle, which I like. I don't like the mint that like burns your lips, but it's the very subtle mint. This feels so good on my lips. Feels amazing. Feels amazing. Amazing. So this is my black-owned skincare routine. If there is some products that you end up getting, let me know what you got and what you think of it. But yeah, this is it for this video. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys soon.